Welcome to the tutorial on integrations. This is applicable where we have set up an integration where you no longer manually upload your trial balances, but they are brought in automatically for you via some form of integration. Now we may be bringing those files in for you daily or more than once a day. When you log into your account, you will see on the dashboard we have an item here called integrations. If there is a green tick next to the word integrations, you can safely move on. There's nothing to worry about. If you see an orange or a red bell, that means you either have an error or some sort of problem that requires your attention. Coming to the screen will simply show you the integrations that you have active. If you have different integrations for different companies, you will see more than one item displayed in this dashboard. In a nutshell, what you're looking at here is when last this integration ran, what was the last message returned, what type of integration it was that last run successful or not, and what is the current status of your integration. Where something has failed, we will explain that to you in the last message. We will say to you, trial balance failed, or some other reason as to why this integration didn't work. But that is often not enough information for you to take any meaningful action. To look at the integrations in a little bit more detail, you need to click on Group at the top, and you need to click on Integrations. Here you will see all the integrations listed for your company, and of course I'm going to click on View. And you will see here this is the particular integration that I have set up, and most important here to do any sort of diagnosis is to click on Event History. That will tell you where the problem is and what is actually causing this issue. And if I click on Event History, this has really got a complete list of all the issues that we have in the integration. And you can see here, for example, that we have an error message. This is why this particular account failed the last time it ran. And you are then able to take some sort of action to resolve this particular issue. In some cases, accounts don't have account numbers. In some cases, trial balances don't balance. In some cases, there may be an issue with regards to duplicate accounts and so forth. All those error messages, you will see they are marked as error, and we will give you the text that applies to that particular error so that you can go and fix those integration items. Once you have fixed those errors or fixed the causes of those errors, you can always come back and rerun your integration. You will click View, and there will be a Run Integration button here for you to run. And that covers the troubleshooting on integrations.